man, talk that shit now.
Hey.
Warner's about to get ate up.
Hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top F. I love my crony to death. Hype Williams, no X. If you don't say it directly, give a fuck. Yeah, yeah. I put some ice on her hand. I let her take it in advance. She wasn't going to plan. I put her shit in the van. She gotta move with a friend. First she went back to her man. Give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the whole wild way it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting sideways, breaking tents. Used to be an antisocial nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mansion out in Texas, and it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all tanning by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep it rockin'.
Good morning guys, I hope everybody's doing alright. Today I'm gonna cook something special. So for that, what are the things that we need? Let me tell you guys something that happened yesterday. So I've been talking to this girl, you know? I've been talking to this girl and we were gonna hang out yesterday. So I invited this girl to go to the bowling, right? And she was like, yeah, okay, we're going to the bowling. Come and pick me up at 7 at this place. So I'm like, okay. Then I get there. When I get there, bro, yo, I'm here, I'm outside. Bro, this girl is like, I'm with my friend. Can it be later? Like, what? Yo, I was like, what? So I texted her, I'm like, you know what? Leave it. No problem, maybe next time. I went on my phone, I blocked her, bro. I deleted her, bro. Like, what? Yo, bro, these people are becoming crazy these days, man. So guys, I already have a lot of things that I needed. But I just need 2 things more and I don't have them here in the house. So I need beans and paprika. So let's go and get it. Alright?
Up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Put on a fresh white suit and a mini coupe sitting on love. I'm really looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love. If you know what I mean.
Now I gotta find the beans.
Everybody talking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. 200 bitches in the building, ain't none of them hot. Selling from the street, a young thing that was working all the way at the top. Tell me what is her name? Oh, she made us drinks. We drunk and when I think she thinks I'm cool.
So guys, we got the beans, we got everything. Now I'm just gonna go back home and yeah, let's do it. Yeah, we made it. So, I think I'm ready. Let's go.
Hey, jury in the safe on arrival. Pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it. That's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Evans had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shout, to the truck. Trust to the club for the party. You go in first with your girl, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
Dirty baby, won't you make me body clean? Early baby, lady, it's on the scene. You know what it is, no matter how busy. City, city, only get to your tongue. 30 degrees, like the coast, I see you at the show tonight.
I'm not gonna lie, but I think I fell. One, I think I put a lot of carrot. What do you guys think? Now I just gotta put the rice. Best rice ever, bro. Basmati. Think I'm ready. Let's see. This is ready. And the rice is also ready. Let's try this. I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. Let's go. Bro, I'm a chef. What? Bro, I'm a chef, man. Yo.
So right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So